I'm Indra Kocha. Started in the financial industry in 1992 in Uppington with Old Mutual. With them, I think it's 11, 12 years. After that, I was in the field, like I called it, for 10 years and for 3 years in management. Changed over to another company, 3 years also in the field again. Moved over to regional manager for 7 years. Then started my own business just before COVID. It was a tough time to work through it. Luckily, all the knowledge that I have in previous times kept me going. And recently joined Warwick. Well, Stefan, we worked a lot together previously, also in his previous time with another company, and we started talking about what he see in Warwick and all the positive things that he can work with. Took me a long time. It's a long time. It took 9 months before I made the final decision to come over to Warwick. I like the people. Vian also, Marianne in the office in Bloemfontein, nice people. Working with you guys here in Cape Town also. I like the Spirit Foundation also give me something that I like. My way of living is to give, not to take. So that's my personality. So it makes sense to me to move over here. There's other financial implications that's also positive, but that wasn't the main thing. I like the people, and I think with all these positive influence and situations, that will be a good thing for my clients too. Their assistance in keeping the stuff going is nice to have. They constantly come back and make sure that I have everything in place, what they need. So yes, to have that continuously will be the perfect way. With Vian and Stefan and Marianne in the office in Bloemfontein, and you down here, Michael, also give me the safe environment to work easily with things. Whenever I need something, I could go to someone and have a discussion, put it on a board or something, and make a proper intense working through all this information that I like to know of and to give out to my clients. Again, it was interesting for me. There was 3 clients calling me back after we sent out the letter saying, we did some research over the internet and stuff, and we find that Warwick is involved also with the Spirit Foundation, and that gives them the ease that this is not a business that's running after money. They are making sure that they are involved in beautiful things, the people.